Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Ranveer Kashyap, and today I'm going to make video on movements of Earth, chapter number 3, my big book of EVS 2. And today I'm going to read the seasons. This is the part 3 of chapter number 3, and there is no other part. And I'm just going to read the fact wise in this as well. So you have to wait a second. So my friends, the thing I was trying to do is done, and so my friends, the thing I was trying to do is done, and I have opened this place at this time. At this place, it is written 1 year, which means that 1 year is here completed. So I'm going to read and make you understand from this. The seasons, the revolution of Earth causes 4 seasons: summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Figure 3.3 shows the revolution of of the Earth and change of the seasons. Look at position 2, and it's this position. North pole is tilted towards the sun. The northern hemisphere gets more sunlight, therefore it's summer hemisphere. In this hemisphere, the days are longer than the nights. During this time, the south pole is tilted away from the sun. So I'm just going in this. Yes. So in this, the yes, it's written tipped axis. This is the axis, which so this is the figure 3.3. So for example, just imagine this is the figure 3.3. So this hemisphere is northern hemisphere tilted towards the sun. This hemisphere is southern hemisphere going not tilted towards the sun. It is tilted like towards the Mars or toward the orbit of the Mars. So at this time in the northern hemisphere it is summer, and in the southern hemisphere it is night. So in the southern hemisphere it is winter, not night. So I'm going to read again. During this time, the south pole is tilted away from the sun. Southern hemisphere gets less sunlight. Therefore, it is winter in this hemisphere. The days are shorter than the nights. Then look at position 4. The south pole is tilted towards the sun. The southern hemisphere gets more sunlight. Therefore, it has summer. During this time, north pole is tilted away from the sun. The northern hemisphere gets less sunlight. Less sunlight. Therefore, it is winter in this hemisphere. So in this picture where here it is written summer and here it is written winter. So in northern hemisphere there is summer, and in this picture in hemisphere it is winter. In southern hemisphere it is summer. Okay, because it is tilted towards the sun. The northern hemisphere is tilted not tilted away from the sun, and southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. And next, look at position 1 and 3. When the Earth is in these positions, the sun's rays fall directly on the equator. As a result, the length of days and nights become the same throughout the world. It is neither very hot nor very cold, both in the hemispheres. In the both hemisphere, northern hemisphere has spring in position 1 and autumn in position 3. Southern hemisphere has autumn in position 1 and spring in position 3. So this is position 1, this is position 3. So this here, if it is written autumn and here spring, which means it is only telling about the northern hemisphere, and in this it is telling about it is again only telling about the southern hemisphere. So next I'm going to read factwise. So factwise, actually the Earth takes 365 1 and the 4 days 1 divided 4 days to go around the Earth. Sun once, but year has 365 days. So every 4 years we add a day, which is 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. The month of February, that is called a leap year, and this day and this year has 600 is 366 years. Now you know why there are leap years and why there are 366 days in leap years. So that was all for today's video, and sorry, that was not all for today's video. I have not yet read words to know and quick recap. Then words to know: rotate, move, to turn in a circle, revolve, to turn, go in a circle around the central points, over, shaped like an egg. Quick recap: the Earth has two types of movements, rotation and revolution. The movement of Earth on its own axis is called rotation. It causes day and night. The movement of Earth around the sun is called revolution. It causes seasons. So that was all for today's video. Bye and have a nice day. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Oh, sorry. Bye.